Okay, if you have the ADT Command System and it has a chime on it,
Door 1.
and let's say you want to adjust the chime, you want to go over here into Tools, type in your master code, then go to Settings, and right here you'll see Voice and Tone. If you click on Voice, you can come out of this, and then you'll just hear the chime without the voice description now. So if you don't like the voice, or if you want to turn off the chime and leave the voice, you can adjust that right there in those settings. If you have any questions, just leave us a comment, and we'll be happy to help you